For days, jurors in the Tony Haase double homicide trial sifted through decades-old evidence and hours of testimony. Inside the courthouse, a jury heard stories from witnesses which, to many, seemed to point in one direction. But after days of debate, jurors saw something the rest of us didn't. Tonight, one juror pulls back the curtain.
I'm Nina Sperano outside the Waupaca County Courthouse. Verdicts are decided in private. But today we got the rare chance to step inside that process to find out what led to Tony Haase walking free. Behind the closed doors of the jury room, this juror, who wants to remain anonymous, says the case against Tony Haase began to unravel.
They straight up fed him answers for hours.
It started as a 50-50 split until the last day of testimony. Rewatching hours of Hase's interrogation video, she says, changed everything.
He was not giving consistent straight answers.
I don't remember. I don't.
Oh, you said I did this, so I didn't. I have no memory of this.
Had to be a knife. No, not had me. Do you know there was a knife? There was a knife.
That didn't sit right with a lot of jurors, and they switched their answers very fast.
But for her, it was also the DNA evidence.
The first person that is the one that did all the testing said she couldn't upload them because her data wasn't strong enough. I think there was a note right on her report that said peaks too weak.
Still, those same inconclusive results were uploaded and linked to Haase. She also points to a palm print found at the crime scene.
The automated system was unable to identify his prints, so they had to manually identify it. And there was 2 checks for the print, no match and match. So the automated system didn't find it, and then the first time it said for manual, no match. Second time manual said match. That also doesn't sit right with me.
In the end, she says, there was too much room for doubt.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Tony Garrett Haase, not guilty.
Someone brought up well, what do you think about the DNA? And then he's like, well, it could be this person's DNA. That's a reasonable thought. And then the packet said, hey, if you have a reasonable hypothesis towards someone else, you have to say not guilty towards the defendant. And he goes, well, for that reason, I guess I have to switch my answer to not guilty.
Was that the last holdout?
That was the last guy.
It was a verdict that divided the community. But to this jury, it was about following the law. Outside the Waupaca County Courthouse, Nina Sperano, NBC 26.